7 hours later.
Alright, this time on Nugget Garage we've got Kevin, the sicko, dickhead, whatever you want to call him, and Barry, the bogan, around here ready to race these two heaps of crap for the first time in how many months? I don't even know.
It was a while.
3 months or something.
This one didn't even want to run
This
yesterday.
one, no. This one kind of ran on 4 or 5 cylinders for a bit, eh?
So a bit of a mad scramble with those coil packs in the end. They were sitting in a pool of water from when it was at your house.
Yeah,
we didn't realise.
Outside in the rain,
Yeah.
nobody cares about it.
No.
So anyway, hopefully this one we're going to see the goal of 10.99. I'm probably happy with 11 anything. No?
It'll do 11 something.
Well, just more boost and add gas.
Your way home up. Fuck it.
We've got a trailer.
Yeah.
That's the goal anyway. I want to see a 10.99 out of it, and I don't really care past that.
So this one's an 11 something.
11 anything for Barry would be awesome. I don't know if it's going to do it. I don't know if it's going to do rods out, but we'll see how it goes. Anyway, we'll get up there, get on the track. COVID stuff starting to open up, so it's windy as hell too.
It is.
And so if there's wind noise, sorry.
Big headwind.
It is windy as hell, and it's actually getting a bit cool. Because last time here was like 42 degrees, so
yep.
Barry might actually do something better than 12.7, and that went 12.2 or something.
All right, let's go and sign in.
All right, we're going to it.
What are you doing, Scott?
Making a mess.
Making a mess? What about this whole weight reduction thing?
It's totally within the rules.
Alright, first run. Dirty old Kevin, the dickhead. See how we go. We've got this guy over here lining me up for a race. Reckons he's going to chop me, but he's not. Well, it's Barry. Barry's not going any further than about what I can see just right there. Barry's going to rods out, I reckon. First gear turn the bloody nitrous on.
Hose? What happened, Mr. Drifter?
Binned my sump.
Hey Chris, I got your catch can.
Inside the water injection to the. Yeah, we'll stick that inside the car.
Well, I've got a big cable tie here.
What do you mean? There was a strap with it. What about there? Oh, I'm not digging in there to get that one out. Wait, we'll go fishing. Did V6 life.
So you grab that.
That's alright, well, seemed to run like arse on the last pass. So we'll see how it goes this time around. Hopefully it'll chop Barry because I can't have that guy beating me, because that would suck, being beaten by Barry. It's not cricket. So we'll try and stall it up, get a bit of a decent skid out of it, I think. And hopefully not cock it all up. See how we go. Kevin, you dickhead. hyperdrive. It definitely changed the gear. So, there was a pressure in the bottle because I f***ing didn't take the f***ing...
Didn't release the pressure.
Hey?
You have to burn it out now.
I'll pace him, I'll lose down bloody skiddy. Thanks, buddy. You're on, mate. Well, it's a PB. Damn it. 1.6. All right, that's it for the night for Kevin, the absolute dickhead. And Barry.
What happened, mate? Looks like there's at least 3 times I beat you.
I got chopped. Kevin's a dickhead. Kevin does not like gas. Kevin doesn't like.
You know what Kevin needed?
Kevin,
A little bit of prep.
Kevin had no prep. Kevin was dragged out of a
Barry had
deep,
prep.
dark hole
Barry
and thrashed within an inch of its
Somehow
life.
ran 3-4 11s.
4 11s?
Yep.
Wow.
11.70 being the
I
fastest.
still PB'd. It was 12.1. So it was a half a...
1/10.
1/10.
Yeah, I got 1.
Well, not even. Actually, it was like half of that.
And Barry's gearbox was slipping the entire time.
Yeah,
but it
so
managed
the
to get
gearbox is
through.
limited.
And this gearbox is being shit too.
Yeah, that's up and down gears and what was that? The position switch maybe.
And
Something
this one had some bolt missing and it was pissing out oil everywhere.
Oh yeah, that was fun.
Fix
So
And then you didn't fix it and then you fill the turbo with oil. and then eventually
Was
it
it-
came good.
Was it an eventful night at least?
Preparation.
So yeah, none.
Instead of
So anyway, that's about it. We're gonna have to get these out. I don't know if it's the tune with the nitrous for that thing, but it was shit. And the last pass I turned it off about half track and it actually went better. So I was coming at you, bro. I nearly had you.
Never had
I nearly
you,
had you, bro.
all right.
Anyway,
well, I didn't
that's
expect
it.
to be taking them both home anyway.
No, they both drove on the trailer, and that's a bonus because we expected them to both not drive at all. So that'll do us, I guess. Next week, don't know. See you sometime then.
Commercials.
Maybe.
That's next.
Oh, I missed it.
Good job. Have a go at it.
I was worried about stopping you though.
Well, I think the car in front may have oiled down the track. We'll see, I guess. Fun night back.